Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are good.
My name is Rubab, and today I'm going to take you on a journey where we learn many good things. Among them, one very important lesson is that we cannot remember Allah only in emergencies. We must build a strong relationship with Allah through daily namaz and regular du'as, because Allah is not an emergency number.
कल पढ़ लूँगा.
Abdul Rahman kept saying this again and again. But kal never came. Books were lying on his table, closed. Prayer mat in the corner, untouched. Namaz?
बाद में.
Study?
बाद में.
Everything can be dealt before exams, Granny.
But remember, delaying study is bad. Delaying namaz is even worse. Ignoring becomes a habit. And habits quietly shape our future. His grandmother said. His mother often said, "Son, namaz is obligatory, you should offer first." But he keeps ignoring her. His mother noticed. His grandmother noticed. And it made them upset and worried. One day, his mother came into his room. Abdul Rahman was busy playing. She smiled softly and said, "My dear son, your date sheet has been posted. Now you must focus on your studies." Abdul Rahman looked at his mother. Just for a second. Then his eyes went back to the screen. And the game continued. Days passed. No books opened. No namaz started. Just delays and excuses. 1 week before exams, his mother stopped him from going outside. She said firmly, "Abdul Rahman, now enough. You need to stay home and study." Suddenly, his tone changed. He shouted. He argued. Words he didn't even think about. Just came out. Then he walked into his room angrily. And moments later, he still went outside. His grandmother watched all this quietly. No shouting. No anger. Just worry in her eyes. Then exams arrived. That night, Abdul Rahman finally opened his books. Pages felt unfamiliar. Topics didn't make sense. Time was slipping away. His heart started racing. For the first time, he felt helpless. He closed the book, sat on his bed. After months, he stood on the prayer mat. He raised his hands.
Ya Allah, please help me pass tomorrow.
The exam didn't go well. When the result came, Abdul Rahman failed. Silence filled the room. That night, Abdul Rahman sat alone in his room. The noise of the day was gone. And suddenly, his mother's face came into his mind. Her soft voice. Her worried eyes. He realized something that hurt more than failing. That evening, his grandmother came in his room. Her voice was calm. But her words were heavy. She said softly, "My son, एग्जाम्स में फेल हो गए हो. ये तुम फिर भी पास कर सकते हो." Then she looked at him and said, "लेकिन अगर तुम आखिरत के इम्तिहान में फेल हो गए, तो तुमने अपनी माँ का दिल दुखाया है." Her voice slowed. तो फिर ये एग्जाम दोबारा नहीं होता.
I prayed, he whispered. Then why didn't Allah help me?
अल्लाह इमरजेंसी नंबर नहीं है. नमाज और मेहनत दोनों फर्ज है. Abdul Rahman chest fills with pain. Just go to your mother. सब आसान हो जाएगा. He understood. His behavior was wrong. His words were wrong. Tears rolled down his face. He walked out of his room. His mother was sitting quietly. He stood there for a moment. Then said in a low voice, "I am sorry, Mom." Both hugged each other. For the first time, Abdul Rahman understood. Some exams decide marks. Others decide your akhirat.
This incident changed him. He said, I promise I'll start praying regularly. In the morning namaz, he said, Ya Allah, I don't want you only when I'm scared. I want you on my normal days too.
Before you close this video, take one small step today. Talk to Allah, not because you need something, but because you need Him. Allah is not an emergency number. I hope you liked this video. Please do share your thoughts in the comments. If this story touched your heart, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rubab Dream Chaser.